G'day guys, Curtis here. Listen, I know we're all at home right now and I know we're cooking lots, more than ever before, and I kind of see that as a really good thing. I've got something that reminds me of my childhood. I remember getting home from school and thinking, oh, mum's roasting a chicken. I'm gonna teach you how to cook the perfect roast chicken because when it's good, wow, is it so good. There's just a few things you need. First of all, a nice big generous size roasting dish, if you've got one. Now I'm gonna cook 2 chickens in this, and then you want some veggies. This is my pride and joy. I'm not gonna lie, it's my little veggie garden. I've got beautiful herbs, a few veggies, and you know what? I'm so grateful for it right now because when you're thinking to yourself, oh, I need a little bit of thyme or some rosemary, you can literally just run out to the garden and you don't have to leave the house. What you need is a ton of onions, a big handful of carrots, a handful of garlic, a couple of lemons, some oregano, sage, some rosemary, and some thyme. So throw those into the bottom of your pan. So what I've got here is a couple of beautiful chickens. Before I start anything, I've got to season the inside of the chickens, then get some veggies in. So I'm going to put in an onion, carrot, definitely a clove of garlic, and half a lemon for sure. Don't forget to put in a few herbs too. So a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of that beautiful variegated thyme. Can you hear my kids upstairs? I don't know what they're playing, but they're having fun. A little bit of sage. Hey fellas! Keep it down, we're making a movie! Now it's time to season the outside of the bird. Once you've got that beautiful seasoning all over, next, the very important step is a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and drizzle that all the way over the chicken. That's it, you're gonna roast the best chicken of your life. Preset the oven to like 200, 220, depends on how hot your oven runs. About an hour and 10 minutes, wow, this house is gonna smell unbelievable. So, it's been like an hour and 15 minutes and everyone is getting excited about the smell of this roast chicken. Looks so good. Serve it with some simple veggies, maybe some roast potatoes, a little bit of gravy. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna turn these chickens into an amazing chicken stock made from the leftovers of the chicken. So if you wanna watch those videos, please go ahead. But seriously, roast chicken happiness. This is what's for dinner.